Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Gideon once again. Today, let's continue with our learning English sessions. Today, I think I'll be taking you through on how to use Excel, and on that Excel particularly, you may encounter some other challenges while you'll be operating your Excel. Today is the time for you to get away with that, to correct where necessary and avoid those mistakes because you may not know. Today is the day for you to know what's going to happen and how best are you going to get done with it. So allow me to take you through on how to use it. That's particularly the Excel errors you may encounter and you get away with it. So we first go to where there's Excel. Okay, now the first one is one that is it will tell you that div over 0. It tells you clear that you have divided certain number by 0, of which let's first see how it is going to be. We first put that, then that number over 0, then it will tell you that is what I'm meaning div. Sure, in correcting it, there's nothing like a number dividing by 0. You can't get such kind of numbers, it is not there. So taking of it, you cannot divide certain number with 0. You can't divide something with 0 with something which is not there. You divide something with something which is not there. It is impossible. It will bring for you error like this. That is Excel error, one of them. So the other one is also it will bring for you a has value. Has value, it is specifically when it's like when you're writing a formula, you refer a formula to a cell that have text data instead of numerical data. What do I mean by this? Sometimes you may find that you mix up a number with it and writings with a text. Let's take example of like this one here, and this number here you just write somehow. You can't add this kind of numbers. Like there's a number, and then you want to like actually you want to multiply it something. Multiply that number with some number here. Let's first see and what it will bring. You can't multiply a number with a figure. You can't multiply it like that. So it has to go a number with a number so that it will bring for you that. So that one it will bring for you this has value. Then there's the other one is a ref, has ref. That is when like a cell is invalid actually. Uh, from nowhere you might find that you have deleted some number. Now, if like this one here, you delete accidentally, you find that you have deleted this Excel, actually this column. If not a cell, then we see what it will bring for you. It will bring for you this wave. That's when accidentally you delete. This is where they say invalid reference. It's not there, you delete it. After the addition, from nowhere you find that you have deleted it. That's what it will bring for you. So let's get rid of it. And then there's also one that is a first name. First name, what does it mean? First name. First name, it is a specifically for misspelling of functions. Like let's take example of this one here. Let's take example of this. Then we are getting the total. We are getting the total. Instead of writing like sum, actually sum like this, you may find you're writing it as sum like that. Then you put this. And then you say that that is has name. So these errors they're there, but don't get rigid. You just go, you just change what is supposed to be. You just go here, you type on it, you just change. If you change it, then you find it will bring for you the exact thing. So please don't get stuck when you find this kind of errors in your accounting sessions, like when you are doing your accounting in business, what those things. Please, in calculations and the rest, don't get affected because of that. Please just get rid of it. Be specific and be wise enough. If this kind of things comes across, be wise and then correct it. So please subscribe into my channel as more videos will be coming soon. Thank you so much. May you, God bless you. Thank you.